Welcome back to our channel, where we provide valuable insights into nutrition and health. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have requested: weight loss without exercise. While physical activity is crucial for overall health, we understand that certain circumstances may limit one's ability to engage in rigorous exercise routines. But fear not. We've got you covered with the best tips for achieving weight loss without exercise. So, let's get started. Section 1. Mindful eating. Host. The foundation of any successful weight loss journey is mindful eating. Here are some tips to help you achieve that. 1. Portion control. Be mindful of portion sizes. Use smaller plates to create an illusion of a fuller plate and avoid going back for seconds. 2. Slow down. Eating slowly gives your brain enough time to register that you're full, preventing overeating. Chew your food thoroughly and savor each bite. 3. Mindful meal planning. Plan your meals in advance, incorporating a balance of macronutrients, carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats, and a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables. This helps you stay on track and avoid impulsive, unhealthy food choices. Section 2. Balanced nutrition. Host. Proper nutrition is key to weight loss. Here are some tips to ensure a well-balanced diet. 1. Choose whole foods. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. These foods are nutrient-dense, satisfying, and help control cravings. 2. Control added sugar. Minimize your intake of sugary drinks, desserts, and processed snacks. Instead, satisfy your sweet tooth with natural alternatives like fresh fruits or small amounts of dark chocolate. 3. Hydration. Stay adequately hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Sometimes, we mistake thirst for hunger, leading to unnecessary snacking. Section 3. Eating habits. Host. In addition to mindful eating and balanced nutrition, modifying your eating habits can make a significant impact on weight loss. 1. Regular meal times. Stick to regular meal times and avoid skipping meals. This helps regulate your metabolism and prevents excessive hunger, which often leads to overeating. 2. Avoid late-night snacking. Late-night snacking tends to be mindless and often involves high-calorie, unhealthy options. Establish a cutoff time for eating and opt for light, protein-rich snacks if necessary. 3. Mindful snacking. If you feel the need to snack between meals, choose healthy options like fresh fruits, raw nuts, or Greek yogurt. Be mindful of portion sizes and avoid mindless snacking while distracted. Section 4. Lifestyle factors. Host. Apart from nutrition, certain lifestyle factors can contribute to weight loss. 1. Quality sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Poor sleep disrupts hunger hormones, increases cravings, and decreases overall energy levels. 2. Stress management. Chronic stress can hinder weight loss efforts. Find stress-reducing activities that work for you, such as meditation, yoga, or engaging in hobbies. 3. Stay accountable. Maintain a food journal or use mobile apps to track your food intake and progress. This helps create awareness and accountability for your eating habits. And there you have it. Our top tips for achieving weight loss without exercise. Remember, while exercise has numerous health benefits, these strategies can still help you make progress toward your weight loss goals. It's all about creating sustainable habits and making smart choices. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Remember, your health is your wealth.